Remember peak OnePlus? Blazing fast speeds, top-notch features without breaking the bank. Well, it's back. This is the OnePlus Nord 4 and it's here to reignite the upper mid-range market. We are talking flagship level specs at a price that won't make you scream. Can the Nord 4 truly recapture the magic? Let's find out. Before I jump in, if you're new to the channel, smash the subscribe button and hit like for more tech goodness. First things first, the design. OnePlus has definitely shaken things up this time around, and it's a change that might surprise some of you. The Nord 4 looks unlike any other OnePlus phone of 2024, as it does not follow any particular design philosophy. We are used to seeing glass backs on their phones, but the Nord 4 goes in a whole new direction. The Nord 4 looks like a throwback to classic Google Pixel phones with a unique upper glass section which gives it a distinct personality. This part features two camera lenses and a dual flash setup. Plus, the metallic construction and this cool OSS green color with a beach-like vibe sets it apart from the boring phone crowd. Let's see if this bold choice pays off or leaves us wanting more. The Nord 4 might be a bit slippery in hand, so I had definitely recommend using the case that comes included in the box to improve grip. Now diving into the utility aspects, there's plenty to appreciate. A standout feature is the alert slider, which is awesome and very handy to use. Additionally, the Nord 4 comes with an IR blaster, allowing you to control home appliances. The stereo speakers are decently loud and clear, while the in-display fingerprint scanner is responsive. And you can do your payments through its NFC. This phone also boasts an IP65 rating for dust and water resistance. Plus, a special shout out to the OHaptics. Typing on this device feels incredibly responsive and satisfying. Shifting our focus to the Nord 4's display, I must say it clearly stands out. Featuring a 6.74-inch AMOLED panel, this large screen boasts a 1.5K resolution paired with a 120Hz refresh rate. Additionally, the adaptive 120Hz refresh rate smartly adjusts down to 60Hz based on the app in use, optimizing both performance and battery life. The display immerses with its slim, almost uniform bezels, giving it a sleek premium look. Color reproduction on this vibrant panel makes viewing content a genuine pleasure. It has a peak brightness of 2150 nits and it's also bright enough in high brightness mode to be comfortably visible in direct sunlight. However, you can watch HDR videos on YouTube, but unfortunately you can't watch it on Netflix. Maybe it will be fixed in an upcoming update. OnePlus has effectively integrated a solid performance setup into the Nord 4, which features the Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3 chipset. This configuration is supported by up to 12GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 128GB of UFS 3.1 storage. For those who need more space, the 256GB model includes UFS 4.0 storage, enhancing data transfer speeds. Now in practical terms, the Nord 4 manages everyday multitasking and more demanding applications smoothly without noticeable lag. Now for those who are always curious about the benchmarks, I also ran those, but in high performance mode. The Nord 4 achieved an Antutu score of 13,82,000. This falls short of the Realme GT60 score of 14,70,000. Similarly, the Nord 4 also scores lower than the Realme GT60 in Geekbench benchmarks. However, in the CPU throttling test, we almost saw a green graph indicating 77% of CPU throttle. This phone showed strong real-world gaming performance, surpassing benchmark results. In our testing, Call of Duty runs seamlessly at a smooth 90 FPS, offering an uninterrupted gaming experience. Likewise, even graphically intensive games like Genshin Impact maintain steady performance with minimal frame drops, even during longer play sessions. Additionally, you can enjoy BGMI at an impressive 90 FPS, ensuring fast and responsive gameplay. But it gets warm after an intense gameplay session. This phone packs a punch in the camera department, especially considering the price. The main star is the 50MP Sony LYT600 sensor. In bright outdoor settings, it captures photos with natural looking colors and a good amount of detail. You will also get a pleasant blur effect in the background when you get close to your subject, and skin tones look spot on. Plus, the portrait mode does a great job of keeping your main focus sharp while artistically blurring the background. And the night mode is also pretty good, adding details to photos even in low light. But wait, there's more. The 8MP ultra-wide sensor is another winner. I actually found the photos from this sensor with richer contrast. There's a slight difference in color tone compared to the main sensor, but it's nothing major. Generally, the picture gets softer from edges in the ultra-wide, but in this device, we didn't face this issue, so the overall results are good. Now let's get down to video. The Nord 4 keeps impressing with the ability to shoot up to 4K at 60 FPS with the main rear camera. If you need more stabilization, you can switch to the ultra steady mode. On the flip side, the 16 megapixel front camera delivers crisp selfies in all kinds of lighting. From bright sunshine to nighttime environments, you will get clear results. The portrait mode on the front camera is decent too, but the lack of 4K recording here is a bit of missed opportunity. The Nord 4 comes with Oxygen OS 14.1 based on Android 14. This version of Oxygen OS continues its clean and minimalistic design, enhancing user experience with more features. Surprisingly, the device does come with bloatware, which includes a few preloaded games. However, you can uninstall them. While the AI trend is going on, OnePlus has integrated several AI features into the Nord 4. The AI Eraser tool allows users to remove unwanted objects from photos in post-processing. Additionally, the device offers features to summarize information or read web pages for you. Well. OnePlus isn't messing around with the updates. They're promising a whopping 4 years of Android updates and 6 years of security updates. Powering this beast is a massive 5500 mAh battery. This should comfortably get you through a full day, even longer for lighter users. The real star here though is the included 100-watt SuperVOOC fast charger. In my test, it juiced the phone from 0 to 100% in about 35 minutes. That's impressive for a battery this size. So let's wrap this up. The OnePlus Nord 4 positions itself as a strong contender in the upper mid-range market. It strikes a compelling balance between price and performance, offering a smooth user experience, a capable camera system, and a long-lasting battery. While a couple of minor drawbacks exist, such as the lack of 4K front-facing video recording, the overall package remains highly competitive. So if you are looking for a well-rounded smartphone, the OnePlus Nord 4 deserves a serious consideration.